Hi guys, welcome back to AK Trader. This is Ajay Kumar. Today I am going to explain about one of the best strategy so that you are getting on the screen. That will be a open ILO strategy that we call as a technical concept. Open ILO technical concept. And this concept basically we are using for the intraday purpose, not for the positional trading and not for the long term trading. Now I will tell what is this open is equal to low and what is this open is equal to high, and how we can filter the stocks and how we can get the this particular stocks open is equal to high and open is equal to low. Where we will get these stocks we will discuss now. So without wasting time I will start with the basics. Initially just I will explain now where I will get this open is equal to low stocks and open is equal to high stocks. Just go to the Google and type open high low. Okay, open high low. So if we'll type that, we'll get first one itself. Click on this pivot trading live open high low scan. This will be a free scanner, no need to pay a single rupees. Okay, this will be free. So you can see here there are many scripts. You can see that will be OHL open high low. Okay, this will be open high low strategy we are discussing now. Okay, here you are getting like open is equal to low stocks and open is equal to high stocks, but you see there are many open is equal to high stocks due to negative market on Friday. Okay, that purpose when market is downtrend, obviously the stocks, the particular stocks, they also chances are more to go downside. So that purpose this open is equal to I stocks, the red color what they have mentioned. So what they have colored it, that will be a open is equal to high, and in which that green one, so this one will be open is equal to low. Okay. At 9:25 just visit this site, okay, and just filter out the stocks, which are the stocks are open is equal to low and which are the stocks are open is equal to high. This will be first criteria using this concept, and second criteria will be whenever the market is at uptrend. Okay, there is a thumb rule. When market is at 0.3, that Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty is 0.3% plus side, then you consider the market as a uptrend. And similarly, when market is downtrend of minus 0.3%, that will be we consider as a downtrend, and we are selecting the open is equal to high stocks. When market is uptrend, we are just going with the green stocks. This will be second criteria. Okay, the first one you are going to website and just watching the stock, and then you are just going to your kite application and just you are watching here whether the market is minus 0.3 or plus 0.3. If plus 0.3, you are selecting the stocks open is equal to low. If it is minus 0.3, then you are selecting the stocks open is equal to high. This will be red side. Okay, everyone are clear till up to here, I think. Okay, now you are selecting the open is equal to low stocks. I am explaining both today considering a market is uptrend, and of course I am just assuming that market is downtrend. Both side I am explaining here. But when you are start trading, you just observe for 2 to 3 weeks, then you start investing using this strategy. Okay, till that don't invest. Tech Mahindra, you can see here Tech Mahindra as open is equal to low stock. Okay, but in this day, particular day, the market is negative side, right? We are going with open is equal to high stocks, but still for the explanation purpose I am just considering this particular day is 0.3% plus side. Okay, 0.4% plus side or 1.4% plus side, that will be uptrend. I am just considering it. Just I am assuming that market is uptrend, I am selecting this stock. Okay, after this selecting this stock, one thing you have to see is whether this stocks open is equal to low. So that will be first thing. So you can see a 692.00 and low price is 692.00. There is a concept. So I will just read out the concept how we are using this. If open price and low price of any stock or indices has been kept with the same price including that of the decimal point that I am explained here previously, including the decimal point, after the point also it should be same. If it is 692.20, this low also should be 692.20, then only this criteria match, otherwise just ignore that stuff. But there are some situation, if that decimals varies, also there will be a good movement, that will be separate criteria. But the thing is, if you just follow the rules, means just follow the rules, okay, don't just confusing with this. So after that, you can see here, soon after the market opens in any particular day, after the 20 minutes of opening of the trades can be recognized as a low factor. Open is equal to low factor. So that means you can see here, the market opens at 9:15 and you are waiting till up to 9:45. After the 9:45, if the open price is equal to low price, so you are just considering this stocks as a open is equal to low and you are just buying it. Okay, you are just buying it, going for long. So you are telling long and buy, both meanings are same only. Okay, short and sell, both meanings are same only. So this is the criteria according to this concept. But according to my experience, what I have just cross checked with the last 2 to 3 years, so don't wait for the first 20 minutes. Okay, because what happened, after the 15 minutes candle breakout, there are many people are going to just buy the stocks because of this 15 minutes breakout happened. After that it is moving like 1 to 2% and then suddenly it is coming down. There are some situations are there, same thing I just faces previously. That's why don't wait for the first 20 minutes. Okay, just wait it for the first 15 minutes candle to break out. Okay, that 15 minutes candle may break after the 40 minutes or very next to this candle only. Okay, that will be different. But always just take a positions once this 15 minutes candle break out. Okay, till that don't take any trades. Okay, the first criteria, the open price should be equal to low price including the decimal. Then you are waiting for the first 15 minutes to break out. Somewhere here breakout happened, right? So it break out. So you are taking position once it break out somewhere here, and your stop loss is the low of that stocks. Okay, that will be 692 is the stop loss. And similarly, the target, always go with 1% target. So 1% is nothing but here around 7 rupees. Okay, but in this criteria, as I said, I am explaining this on negative day. Okay, only have to take small advantages like 0.5% because it's negative day. Always go with the market. Don't, if you want to trade opposite to the market, then you should be so accurate. Basically, I am always going opposite to the market, but what I will do, I will just go with future segment and just I will book a 0.3 to 0.5%. That will be more than enough. I can book 5 to 7k. I am not worrying about this. But if you are a fresh face to the market, don't go for 1% when market is at negative. Okay, just go with a safe target of 0.5%. Then it will be around 3 rupees. Okay, then you can see here 702. Your target will be 704. So somewhere here it's book. You can book now. Yeah. So according to the market movement, these stocks also moved because afternoon, this particular day, market starts falling after 1 p.m. That's why the stocks also fall. Otherwise, it would have reached till up to here. Okay, that is the thing. It will be depends. I think everyone are clear with this, where the entry should be and where should can keep the stop loss. Along with this, I have already explained about the CPR and support and resistance and this stochastic momentum indicator in my Bank Nifty golden strategy. You can just watch that video and make use of this. Usually I am not trading only considering this concept. I will add these central pivot ranges and support and resistance. Okay, this will be resistance and this will be support, and this 20 moving average. Okay, usually whenever in the intraday it is above the 20 moving average line, then it will be considered as a uptrend. So this is one confirmation. You can see here it breakout, it is above the 20 moving average line and it is above the pivot point. So I am not worrying. So three confirmations are there. So just I take a trade somewhere here and I am booking here considering the resistance. Okay, always add some other indicators to get more accuracy. Don't just blindly follow the one concept. Okay, I think everyone are clear with this open is equal to low strategy. Now I am explaining open is equal to high strategy. Okay, what happened in open is equal to high strategy? So you consider today is a red day and you are going to pivot trading.com and you are selecting the stocks open is equal to high, considering this is a red day. And what you will do, just open the chart of this. Yeah, you can see here the first 15 minutes candle. You are waiting till first 15 minutes candle to break out. So once it break out, you are taking a position and your stop loss is the high of that day. Okay, that means open price is equal to high price, right, including the decimal. So once it break out, this will be our stop loss and our target will be 1%. Then our target is around 4 rupees. So you can see it's breakout at 446. Your target will be 442. You can see here only target has been done, right? After that it is a big fall due to negative sale. You can just increase your accuracy by using this 20 moving average line, because you can see it is below the 20 moving average line. As I said in the previous explanation also, above the 20 moving uptrend, below the 20 moving line will be downtrend. So I'm just if you are a good experienced trader, you are just waiting the candle should closes above this. Okay, till that you don't close the position. So here it's not happened, all the candles closes below this. So you are taking advantage. You can take the advantage, more advantage, using some other indicators. Okay, and just I will read out the definition. I think everyone are clear with this. Open high concept. If open price and the high price of any stocks or indices has been kept with the same price including that of the decimal. As I said, this will be same, it should same. Okay, and as I said in the previous this open is equal to low factor, you have to wait for the first 20 minutes, then you are taking a short position. This open is equal to high concept. Okay, and one more thing I want to just add it for this one. Open is equal to high. What is this meaning? Means market when it opens, okay, all the sellers are coming to existence here and they are just pushing the price downside, okay, below the open price. So we are just found that okay, this particular stock has a more selling pressure. That's why here the open price is equal to high price. Okay, similarly in open is equal to low, when market opens, you can see here the buyers are coming to existence and they are pushing the price upside. That's why the open price is equal to low price. So in this situation, we are just considering that the buyers, that buying pressure is high, and once it's breakout 15 minutes candle, then market will go upside according to our concept. That's why you are taking the position somewhere here. Okay, this is regarding a open is equal to low and open is equal to high technical concepts, and we are trading using this concept. And as I said, along with this concept, we are just adding some technical indicators to make this concept more accurate. It will be more than 80 to 85%, and for that purpose I just added these some indicators. I have already explained this in the previous videos. That will be Bank Nifty golden strategy. You can just watch that video. And thank you guys. Thank you so much. If you are liking this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you can't miss my any of the videos. Once I will upload the video, you are getting a notification. Thank you so much.